Adam, Christopher Lemire's hearing was postponed yesterday because the jail told the court that Lemire was threatening to harm himself. And Lemire's mental state was the focus of a large part of today's hearing. With his defense attorney by his side, Christopher Lemire was arraigned for the events that began Monday night in Epping. After allegedly firing a couple of shots, Lemire fled, setting off a massive manhunt. In court, his defense attorney saying there's a simple way to describe those events.
His efforts on the day in question were a cry for help.
The incident began as a report of a domestic disturbance when court documents say Lemire grabbed his girlfriend's arm hard enough to bruise it. Then, after she told him she wanted to break up, Lemire allegedly stole her gun, threatened to kill himself, and fired 2 shots and fled, only to be captured after more than 14 hours on the run. The defense says Lemire has a long history of mental illness, and this is really about a failure in the system.
He was released from the secure psychiatric unit to the state hospital, I believe, in December of 2015. There he spent about 3 weeks until he was kicked out with very little help.
While on the run, the defense also contends that Lemire was only a danger to himself, something the prosecution disputed.
There is a domestic violence assault charge before the court. There is also a felony reckless conduct charge indicating that he fired off gunshots in a heavily populated area.
Towards the end of the hearing, Lemire became emotional, asking if he would be getting any help. The judge told him that was their aim, but it would be a 2-step process. That process will begin with a trip to Exeter Hospital for mental health evaluation. Depending on what is found, Lemire could be sent to the state hospital. However, before he is released to the public, there will have to be another bail hearing. Reporting live in Brentwood, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.